inside of row number 3. So, Super Truck feature, a makeup feature from June 14th, 15 laps is the distance, and here we go racing in the Super Trucks. Lane in the 52 truck hard on the throttle, but here comes the number 2 on the bottom. That's Dave Buffy in the Dynasty Bathrooms Corona, number 2. 12 right around the top. That, of course, Jeff Rempel out of St. Adolphe. He was 5th when he started. He is about 2nd now. Good racing in the Super Truck division. Wow. Look at the top 6 here. Number 12 trying to get underneath the 52 of Darren Lane, who slides a little high up in turn number 4. And the Enns Brothers Colors number 12 has the number 1 spot. 4th to 1st in 3 laps for the 12 of Jeff Rempel out of St. Adolphe. Dave Buffy in the Dynasty Bathrooms Corona number 2. Currently in the 3rd spot, trying to work on the 52. He is also sponsored by Joey's Only. Buffy on the move in the Dynasty Bathrooms number 2. He is inside of the 52. The 4 of Peterson has a look now too on the bottom of the racetrack. And Lane drops to the 4th spot in a great big hurry. Lap showing, 5 down, 10 to go on the AIA Communications board. Right now, the Enns Brothers 12 just dominating the field. About halfway through this Super Truck feature, a makeup feature from June 14th. Oh, heads up. Bit of banging going on coming out of turn number 4. 52 getting a little bit sideways and getting tagged by the 2B. Yellow flag is out on the racetrack, the 19 of Rick Lowry, sponsored. Our flagman Steve looks them over and waves a green flag. We are racing in the Super Truck division. And Dave Buffy is trying to move fast here. Dave Buffy alongside the 4. What a battle that is. Jesse Peterson started 6th in that number 4, sponsored by Al's Custom Supply, and is having a heck of a battle with the Corona number 2 of Dave Buffy. 67 of Zondag parked at the top of turn 2 at the pit exit. However, you cannot rejoin the race under green. So if we get a yellow, he can rejoin. He is going to get some laps down here, of course, but he cannot rejoin the race until it goes yellow. Five laps remaining. And still, Jeff Rempel out of St. Adolphe is dominating. D underneath the 4. The Dynasty Bathrooms 2 in the 2nd spot. But a ways back of the 12 of Jeff Rempel. Great battle for 3rd, 4th, and 5th. With just 2 laps to go. So remaining on the AIE Communications board as the 12 speeds down the back straightaway and into turn 3. Jeff Rempel has won an awful lot of races in the Super Truck division and continues to look real strong here tonight in our makeup feature in the Enns Brothers number 12. Dave Buffy, former Super Truck Points champion, retired, and is now back for the occasional circle around the big 4/10 of a mile oval. Looking good in 2nd spot, but does not have enough for the 12 of Jeff Rempel. Checkered flag, your winner, Jeff Rempel. Second spot to the 2, 3rd to the 18 unofficially. Nights. So what we're doing now, of course, is simply trying to make up some features. There he is, ladies and gentlemen, Jeff Rempel. Fantastic job. In the Edge Equipment, Crest Carpentry, Enns Brothers, Colors Beauty, number 12. He earned that one tonight. That truck awful steady. Congratulations, Jeff. Fantastic job. I'm going to give you your trophy and a bottle of XP3 to make that truck. And it even matches. It's great. Great drive, man. Buffy was there for a while, but you seem to speed away. That truck just works.
It's awesome. It almost drives itself, really.
No question about that. Now, of course, lots of racing to do in 2018 left over. Are you planning? I know the truck's for sale. If it doesn't sell, are you going to be behind the wheel the whole year, or what's your plans?
Yeah, if it doesn't sell, I'll be driving it. Hopefully it sells. If you guys want to get into it, this class is awesome. The trucks are so much fun, and it's a great piece. Come out and win.
I was going to say, you might as well buy a fast one, huh?
That's right.
Jeff Rempel, your winner tonight in the Super Truck division. How about a hand for him, ladies and gentlemen?